However, it's also used to express contrast, right? What about besides? Yes? To. Also. As well. Good. As well as. Right? Clear? Okay. Now, in the second question, you're asked to think about one more advantage and one more disadvantage to using RFID chips. Clear? Yes? Now, how would you add these two advantages or disadvantages to the paragraphs? Think about that. All right? Work in pairs, let's say. You two. Let's say Damaris and LU. You two. All right? You two over here. Let's say you two. You two over here. You two over here. You two. And you two. All right? Just count them. How many? 3, 4. Okay. 2 advantages. What about the number of disadvantages? 3 disadvantages. All right. Okay. Now move on to the second question. So what's the answer to the first question? Only 2 disadvantages and 3 disadvantages, right? Okay, now move on to the second question. Classes. A class is something extra. A class, yes? That's a plural form.
There are also disadvantages to use transactions. One of the plus of using the chips is that the person can be.
So what's the answer to the first question?
There are 2 advantages.
How many disadvantages? And 3 disadvantages, right? Move on to the second question now, okay? Yes. To wander means to walk without having a fixed destination. To be going back and forth. Get it? Without a fixed destination. What happens is that when you know where the things are located in a store, you go to that place and find them. But if you don't, you just go from one place to another. That's to wander out. It's like you don't have a fixed, destination because you don't know if the things you're looking for are there or somewhere else. Get it? So what's the answer to the first question? Two. All right. All right. Now, are you working on the second question already? Yes? All right.
I'm not sure. Maybe. Radio frequency or sound off by the computer affect our bodies. It's not exactly about this, but
All right, guys. Ready yet? Have you finished yet? Yes? So what's the answer to the first question? What's the answer to the first question? How many advantages and disadvantages are discussed in each paragraph? Let's say volunteer who would like to answer this question. Okay. Now you answer the first part of the question.
Yeah. There are 2 advantages in the first paragraph.
All right. What about the second paragraph?
There are 3 disadvantages.
Do you all agree? Yes, correct. Good. What about the second question? Can you think of one more advantage and disadvantage? Can you think? Yes, sir.
Well, in addition, maybe in some store people put this chip in the stuff, in the things, in order to avoid that another people stole this object, this stuff, this thing.
All right. So that can help us prevent
The
theft.
yes.
Okay. At stores.